All right. So some numbers are exact numbers, and since they're exact numbers, they have unlimited sig figs. And so exact numbers can come from various, measurements, or really not quite measurements, but counting. So one way you can have exact numbers is through counting. So for example, if you have 2 protons, that means that you counted them. And so this is an exact number. Right, you don't have about 2 protons, you have exactly 2 protons. And when you have an exact number, you have an unlimited number of sig figs. And so the way that you can think about this number is like 2.0000 and then like an unlimited number of zeros because it's an exact number. Other things come through defined quantities. So these are generally conversion units that are as definitions. So for example, later on, what we'll learn is that 1 meter is equal to exactly 1,000 millimeters. And so both of these numbers have an unlimited amount of sig figs, right? So you can think of it as like 1.000 with an infinite number of zeros is equal to 1,000.0000 unlimited number of zeros, right? When they're defined quantities, they have an unlimited number of sig figs. And then last one, there's just kind of like random stuff. You have to really think about what you're talking about and whether it's, significant or not. So for example, if you made, $15.00 per hour, this number would also be an exact number, right? Because you're making exactly $15 per hour. You're not making 15.00 or 15.01, 15.02. Nope, it's exactly 15.00. And again, that would count as having unlimited number of sig figs.